was the first whiskey made and sold in Texas since Prohibition. There was no way to know what kind of whiskey this place wanted to make.
Do you think I'm done?
Looking back now at 10 years of doing this, it's not data on a page, it's human interaction. You're making cuts, picking barrels, smelling and tasting them, and watching them grow up. Preserving that level of human interaction seems to me to be one of the biggest tasks we have, to never let that slip. We distill whiskey that at its best should be about slowing down enough to really take in the subtlety of a moment in a way that a casual pass can never do. When something introduces beauty into our life, it just changes things.